Okay, I'm going to show you a false cut involving 5 pieces. Okay, and this one is really worth learning, and it's actually not very hard to accomplish. The technical difficulty of this is actually not very high, and it's worth doing because it's so convincing. Okay, so what you do is you hold the cards in that kind of modified biddle grip, so you need your index finger free for these swing cuts. So what you do is you swing cut about half the deck if you can, or a big chunk, about half the deck. And then you drop that in your hand like that, okay? And now what you do is you swing cut about half of those, and you drop those, but you maintain what's called a pinky break. Not too hard to do. So now your pinky's in there. It's keeping it from closing all the way. You can see that. Okay. And then you set this one on the table. Down. That one goes down. Okay. And now you kind of repeat it. You go swing cut, swing cut. So you hold a break, just as before, a little pinky break right there. Right there. And then you set this one that's already in your hand down. And grab this one, it's all ready to be picked up, set that one down, and then the last bit goes on top. And even when you do it slowly, it's a very convincing little cut. People watching this. Okay, and then 1, 2. Okay, so let me do a few times just kind of closer to real speed, I guess. So a big chunk, swing cut, down, set that down, swing cut, down, down, down. So you have to realize that you're putting 2 down at first and then 3 for the second portion. So you need a big chunk. It's kind of not a very big chunk, but it probably should work. And then you go over here, hold a break, just like I have here, if you can see that. I'm trying to show it to you. Set that down, swing cut, but hold a break. Down, down, down. Okay, now let's show you with the ordered little packets now, so you can kind of see what's going on, really. Okay, so what we're doing is, so you're taking a pretty big packet. So you have to realize there's 2 phases to it. The first phase, you're going to be setting down 2 little pieces. The second phase, 3. Okay, so what that means is, for my demonstration here, I need to break off 3 of these because I need 3. So I cut off a good chunk, okay, and then I break off a little piece, that, hold a break, set that one down, set this one down, kind of repeat now. So just take off that, that top, the third of what remains, middle third, set that one down, set that one down, and then that one down. So you can see that you're actually just reconstructing the entire deck. Okay, so here take a big chunk, which in my case means I need to take 3 of these. Swing cut about half of them, set it down with a break, set this one on the table, grab this one. Now swing cut about a third, set the bottom third down, next third, top third. Okay, one more time with the packets. So take a big chunk, swing that over, hold a break, that goes down, this goes down, swing cut, hold a break, like I have there, down, down, down. Okay, so let's do it actually with the real cards here again, just to finish. Okay, so take a big chunk, it's a pretty big chunk, grab it, and then break off about half, bring it over, hold, set that down. Okay, so that's like the bottom 2 pieces. Okay, now we need to break this up into 3 pieces. So we go swing cut, hold a break, set that portion down, this portion down, and that's actually the original top. So there you go. That's how you can break a deck into 5 pieces and reassemble them perfectly. But boy, most anyone watching that would think those cards are just all scrambled and mixed up. Okay? So thanks for watching.